Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. Taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guan, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
Hey, I'm in Jiangmen, China again, so I'm going to check it all out. It's a really cool little city. It's between Guangzhou and Zhuhai. So I'm going to walk around in these back alleys and kind of show it to you. It's interesting. There's a lot of different stuff. There's some people dancing over there. There's a riverfront over there. But what I'm going to do in this particular video of Jiangmen is I'm going to walk into this historic Chengdi historical blocks and show it to you. But let's put it up on the map so you know exactly where we are first. The cool city of Jiangmen, China, quickly becoming one of my favorite cities. Actually, it's I really like it a lot. So this particular one, I come back and I start viewing around in kind of the tourist area where there's lots of people, real friendly people as always, and kind of have some experiences right in kind of a historical and touristic area of Jiangmen. Let's go there and show you as if you were there yourself. Jiangmen, China, Guangdong. Okay. So that one is dragon dance, lion dance. Hello. How about you? So, and I guess they have it all set up. Hello. Get the lion dance. Okay, so we're gonna, lots of friendly people here. So we're gonna walk around the corner. Kind of cool architecture here too. We're gonna walk around the corner where there's a ton of tourist stuff everywhere. Yeah, I like the people here. They're not so used to foreigners, so they're really inquisitive and friendly. This little coffee shop right here. So there's, it's pretty welcoming. I was here, first time I ever came here was maybe about 6 weeks ago, and I filmed it, and I was so kind of taken by it. I just thought it was such a cool city. I think it's like, hello, it's about 3 million people. So which one? Yeah. Sure. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's good. Sweet. It's actually really sweet. Okay. So we're kind of in this little tourist area. Let me just kind of see what we all have in here. So you can see plenty more people down that way as well. Got lots of fans here. Let's kind of check out the fans real quick. And we also have these movie references. So I think they're walking right by here. Let's see if we can see some columns like that. We're gonna see those movie references as well. Everywhere. in this area. I think there's some movie references right there as well. I saw a movie set area too. I'm gonna do different videos. There's some more. So you can see there's another one over there too. So you can see different people are getting pictures next to the movie set posters. There's more over here too. So you can see them over there. You can also see them over here. I guess this one. And then I think in here, there's a ton of them, I think. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep on going down. We're gonna go down this way. Let me just see. And then this is the other one I wanted to show to you. So there's this one and this one. So they were just getting photos next to these guys. Kind of cool. So yeah, I guess this might be the corner that they were filming at. Okay, let's kind of walk on a little bit. There's a lot of cool stuff in this area. The other day I was here and filming, it was in the beginning of the day. It was like a weekday, but today it's a Sunday. So it's a great day to film. That looks pretty cool. You can see it's like a coffee shop there. Lots of fans. We're gonna be walking towards something called the 33 Steps, and it had some movie reference, and it's right around the corner as far as I know. So we're gonna walk over there. But yeah, they have all these kind of beautiful buildings everywhere, as you can see. Huh. Actually some really beautiful ones up there with some windows. I kind of feel like this would be an amazing place with some low price rents. Like a place you could live for a long time without requiring the money of another city. Even Zhuhai is China, but it's not as cheap as here, I don't think. And there's a little bit of tourism here too, quite a bit, especially because of this movie. Okay. Fans. Yeah, these fans must have been in the movie or something, because they're kind of sold everywhere. Yeah, I like the city. More fans. Some magnets too. Jiangmen. It's kind of how you can get to know exactly what people are trying to see here. I would like to come back to this city for a few days at some point. Okay. Jiangmen. So it must be a specialty. So I think we're going to be going up to the 33 Steps, which I believe is around the corner here. I think it's up here. Wow, it's so amazing. Last time I was here, there wasn't any kind of tourism like this. It was, yeah, it was a weekday, middle of the day. So it's so different on a Sunday. Hello. Let's see what this is like. That's very good. And that's this shop. So I think what I just had was maybe some of this, I think. Hello. Hello. Lemon tea. I'll get one. I'll get one lemon tea. Yeah. Okay. And this is okay. cash.
Oh, thank you.
And you can also sit down right there too, so I can also sit in these chairs, just kind of watch. And then that's actually where we're going to be going later, is directly up that way, something called the 33 Steps. So we'll get our lemon drinks right here. I think we're going to be getting this one. We'll see. Ah, sushi. Thank you. My change back. It also says welcome to Jiangmen. Oh, that's fast. Ah, sushi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sushi. It's very fast. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this. So we got this one. Sushi. Sushi. Thank you. So we're gonna keep on walking by. So that was really tasty. So now we got our fresh lemon drink. Let's see what else is around here. Gonna get surprised here. Got all these different fans, I don't know why these are really popular here. They're kind of everywhere. Chinese traditional medicine, I think, some kind of herbal. Oh, okay. Oh, it's good. Smells good. Actually, they got a lot of tasty foods here. Hello. Cheers. You got this one? Okay. That sounds good. Cheers. Okay, so let's see what else is. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too. Cheers.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking by. So yeah, a lot of friendly people. Actually, it's kind of interesting here because I don't think many foreigners come here. So I need to come to an end for this video shortly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up to the 33 steps. I think that'll be a good ending. People everywhere. So the 33 steps is a reference to the movie, and there's references to the movie throughout, and there's a lot of tourism too, right? Like on a Sunday. And all these people are over here because of the 33 steps. And the 33 steps is right up there. So we're gonna see. Let me just kind of see. I think the movie references are over on this side. There's some over here. So that's the 33 cents right there. And I think there's more over here. But the biggest reference is the movies. So let's head over here. So everybody's filming over here. We're gonna come over here. So all these people are filming the 33 steps. So we're gonna walk it. And then we're gonna end our video. So let's go up. I'll probably do a separate video, so if you stay tuned, I'll do another Jiangmen video. And we'll start up here, just so they can kind of get a better idea of it. So yeah, I guess it's in the movie. Some construction there. Let's go all the way up. And now we're just up in the 33 steps area. Let's just kind of walk through here. So I'm going to do a separate video and we'll explore all of this. Oh, people around today. Let's just go back, then we'll end the video. Let her go by. Okay, that's a slice of Jiangmen for you. Let's kind of see. So I think this is must be 33 steps, I guess. A reference to it. Okay. So we're gonna end it right there.
Got the